Get ready to drool. I'm about to cook up a batch of irresistible chicken pakora. This street food classic is a guaranteed crowd pleaser, especially with the little ones. The ingredients are 1 spoon corn flour, 1 spoon gram flour, 1 spoon rice flour, 1 spoon coriander powder, 1 spoon pepper powder, 1 spoon chili powder, 1/2 spoon salt, 1 egg, 250 grams chicken. Mix all these well in a bowl. After mixing it well, keep this bowl in a fridge for 30 minutes. Thank you. Coriander and curry leaves are classic garnishes for chicken pakora. They add a fresh, aromatic touch that really complements the flavor. Do you have any other favorite garnishes you like to use? Some people also enjoy a squeeze of lemon or a sprinkle of chaat masala.